Good day, everyone. Right now, we're going to make a camera obscura. Before that, let's find out what is camera obscura and how camera obscura evolved. So what is camera obscura? Camera obscura is a darkened box, room, or device that projects an upside-down image of the outside world onto a surface inside. It works because light rays from external objects travel in straight lines through a small opening, a pinhole or lens, into the dark enclosure, and only the ray from a particular point on the outside will reach a corresponding point on the opposite wall, inverting the image. The image is color and retains perspective, but it is reversed and upside down. After that, we start to measure and lining the cardboard so we can create a rectangular box. With the help of our members, we were able to cut and make a camera obscura. Additionally, while lining and cutting the cardboard, we exchanged ideas, opinions, and thoughts how we were able to make a camera obscura. So there are four types of camera obscura. Number 1, pinhole camera. Number 2, camera obscura with lens. Number 3, camera obscura with lens and curved mirror. Number 4, and lastly, camera obscura with lens, curved mirror, and diagram. So how did we able to make the mirror with lens obscura camera, and how did we able to do the zooming obscura camera? So firstly, we identify the distance of the lens's light reflection, and second, we identify the angle of the mirror so that the wax paper will project the image clear and better. So firstly, we identify the distance of the lens's light reflection, and second, we identify the angle of the mirror so that the wax paper will project the image clear and better. Second, we first made an example in a gloves box and made a simple concept of the zooming camera so that if we make a official concept of the obscura camera, we can identify how we will make it. As you can see, after we put together the cardboard, we start painting all the cardboard so you were able to identify that this is the example of camera and how you make a camera obscura.
First, I sketch and cut for the base. This is the outcome of the base of the camera. Here I cut the can so it will able to be fit inside the camera. When I'm already done, I paint it, and this is the result of the paint. And the can I already put it inside. Next, I make a hole in the front of the can so the light can travel inside the camera. And I put the wax paper in the back. And lastly, this is the result.